So I think, having read the guide to diff pump maintenance, there's two types of oil. There's hydrocarbon based and silicone based, and I think the silicone based is the expensive stuff, but it lasts a long time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whereas the hydrocarbon based stuff does not last long. It may well be that had hydrocarbon oil in, which is cheaper, and it also turns to sludge.
Okay.
So,
that would make sense given that it was sludge. Alright, so we've cleaned everything out for this diff pump, so we're going to do the exciting part and put new oil in. We've got some Santovac, not sponsored, that we'll just pour in. Basically it's going to be all of that. So yeah, here goes, if I can open the top. Slowly. That's nice. That is nice. Nice and goopy.
So currently where we're at is we are trying to get a vacuum on the whole system. However, we are having some problems with the left hand side. So we're having some problems with getting the left hand side, just this bit over here. You see this is closed off here, so we're having trouble getting this down to a rough vacuum. So, but we've checked that the rotary pump works. So that basically means that there's a leak somewhere around here. So what we've done, we have re-greased all of these valves in between. Max is currently upstairs cleaning the bit which comes off of here, which allows us to switch between roughing down the bottom of the diff pump and the top. It's this compartment over here. So he's currently upstairs cleaning all of the different components over here to see if that might be one of the causes. So, and we've re-greased all of the components all around here just to double check that that wasn't the reason. So yeah, so hopefully after doing this we will be able to get a rough vacuum on this, and we've checked that the diff pump turns on, which is good, so not like the problem we were having with that one. So yeah, so hopefully we'll be able to get a rough vacuum and then start to pull, you know, a higher vacuum after that. So what we're doing is we are currently dismantling the left-hand diff pump again, because basically we are getting a leak in both the bottom and the top of the left-hand diff pump. But that's when we rough it. It only goes down to about 4 times 10 to the minus 1. So basically that indicates that there's a leak. Well, there's obviously a leak in both of them. So we've taken it apart and we're currently cleaning the part which connects them, because that will be the most likely culprit for letting a leak in. So we're cleaning around here, the thing which basically connects just the bottom with the baffle, basically just connecting the top and the bottom. So we'll clean that and re-oil it. So there's the bottom of it. I'll show you the top. So here it is. So we will give this a good clean as well. We've given it a little bit of a clean, but we'll go around it again with some acetone and stuff, just to give it a real good clean. Just make sure there's a smooth connection, and hopefully we will be able to assemble it, and hopefully then we'll be able to get a vacuum in there. So keep you updated on that.